Don't play with her, don't be dishonest. Ay. Still not understanding this logic. Hey, I'm back and I'm better.
Hello my gingerbread and jelly bean, welcome to another episode of JVLOGS. Sorry for the bad lighting, but I'm inside the house right now. And I'm just using the ceiling light over here, this little light thingy here. So that's what I'm using to make this video. So there's no reason to not make a video. And it's Tuesday, and I should post on a Tuesday, so that's what I'm doing right now. It's about 8 o'clock in the evening, so you guys are gonna get this right now. I've been feeling sick, like this weird. I run Sunday, did a few laps Sunday. I know I'm feeling sick. My joints are feeling weird, acting funny. I don't know why, but yeah. So it just threw off my whole mood. I was feeling sick and down, like I'm coming down with fever and all that. So it just threw off everything. But I'm still here. And I just played some tennis to try and see if I can, fight it off, whatever it is. I don't even know because I don't have flu or anything, but it's just weird. And I don't know if it's Zika. I always find it funny when I say Zika, because Zika is going around and Zika is here in Florida. But yeah, I hope you guys like the painting, like this painting in the background here. And then my company. But anyway, so I wanted to do a little story time, and this is the time when I got drunk. No, this was back in 2013. My family and I and a family friend went to a get together. So this get together was family get together, and they invited us as friends, and we went there and stuff. There was liquor everywhere, vodka, rum, Appleton, Pepsi, every single thing that you can think of that would be in a bar is there. This get together, food is there as well. Now, being that I was young and I don't have much experience drinking, I'm not a big drinker, I only drink on special occasion. Being that all the apple vodka and everything is there, I say, why not? Just chug it and drink, and all that's already there. Eat some food and thing, me and my friend Pepper was there as well. And we're there drinking and thing like that. So I decided, no, take it upon myself, no, to mix the liquor. No, I was mixing apple vodka with Appleton, with Ray and Navy, with beer. Everything was in the cup, mixed up. Every single liquor was mixed in the cup. So I was there drinking and drinking until I was like getting really dizzy and tipsy and all that, and I felt myself getting drunk. It reached a point where I was at the get together, and this girl tried to rob me. She was there talking to me and say if I have any money I can give her, all kind of stuff. But I was conscious at the time, and I was like, wait, is this girl trying to rip me off, trying to get money from me and stuff? So I called my Bridget and thing, and he was there, and get rid of her and stuff like that. So we're there and drinking and drinking. My sister told me, this is my little sister Opa, she said, if you get drunk, watch your mega deal. This is Jamaican time. I said, don't get drunk, Mark. Don't get. I said, no, man. That time I'm already tipsy and enjoying myself. So I reached the point where I got really, really drunk. I was so drunk that we went home. Everybody come home. My mother was laughing at me. Sister was laughing at me. I came home and I was like drunk. I couldn't control myself. And like I was going inside the house. And I fell down, like I lose my balance because you're drunk, you don't have balance. I lose my balance, and I was saying, sister Pebble, help me, because I call her Pebble, I call her Pebble. I said, help me, and she was like, tell you don't get drunk, you much me I go beat you up. And she did, and she never helped me, and she licked me, and she beat me up as me get drunk, because she told me not to get drunk, And she troubled me and provoked me. I was there just crying because I couldn't help myself. She beat me up because she warned me and stuff like that. So after that point, I vomit, all those stuff. It's like every time I say apple vodka, I felt sick. Like deep, that just felt really sick. Anybody mention apple vodka, I just felt sick. If I smell it, I felt sick. So the moral of the story is, don't get drunk, and if you're getting drunk, ensure that you're in a safe environment and ensure that your sister don't promise you to beat you up if you get drunk, alright? But that was like my experience getting drunk, you know. It never happened again. I only got tipsy, but I never got drunk to the point where my sister beat me up or I lost control. So be careful, guys, when you're drinking and stuff and having fun. I know it, you know, it can be overwhelming sometimes, but just try to enjoy yourself and not drink too much. So thanks for watching JVLOGS again. Thanks to all the new subscribers that are subscribed. If you like this video, give us that thumbs up. You know, leave a comment below. Tell me your experience. Have you ever gotten drunk before, and you know, why the reason you got drunk, and was there anybody there to help you? So remember, guys, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching JVLOGS. I'm out.